You know, the CDC says that the Delta variant is a new version of COVID-19, and as they're learning more about it, there's data that says that they need new mask recommendations. The CDC says it is seeing an increase in Americans sick with the Delta variant. It's more contagious than previous strains of COVID-19, and as a result, if you're indoors around others, even if vaccinated, the new recommendation is wear a mask. And while cases are relatively low in Michigan, Dr. Jonae Caldoun says risk levels are changing.
I'm still concerned that we are seeing increases in our cases across the entire state. Masks have been proven time and again to be effective in preventing the spread of the virus. I'm concerned about the more easily transmitted Delta variant. And so, yes, I think more people should probably be wearing masks at this point.
Michigan's chief medical executive and the CDC say don't think this recommendation means the vaccine does not work. It can decrease your risk of getting sick with symptoms sevenfold.
What we are seeing with the Delta variant is that while people may still get infected at a higher rate than the previous strains, so the protection may be somewhere between 66 and 88% for getting infected, the overwhelming ability to prevent hospitalization and prevent death is amazing for the Delta variant as well.
Dr. Andrew Jameson is the division chief of infectious diseases at Trinity Health Michigan. He says it's not surprising that the CDC is also specifically mentioning schools, recommending masking in schools.
And we've seen more kids infected recently in the South than we did previously. And we've seen younger and younger kids get hospitalized and get very ill. So this is not something to take lightly, and we want to do everything we can to keep them safe.
Bob McCann with the K-12 Alliance of Michigan says the challenge school leaders have is that different communities have different levels of risk and believe they should have policies based on local case rates, not a general national recommendation.
A one-size-fits-all approach here is probably not going to work, and we're going to need to make sure that every community is given the options to do what's best for their kids.
The CDC says another reason for this new mask recommendation is that with previous strains of COVID-19, vaccinated people did not seem to be contagious if they did have a breakthrough case. But with the Delta variant, that does not seem to be the case. Even vaccinated people seem to be spreading the virus. Reporting live, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
Yeah, Kim, real quickly here, there are a lot of questions about vaccine confidence and what is going to happen next. Is Dr. Caldoun planning any state policy changes in light of the new recommendation?
You know what, right now she is echoing the recommendations from the CDC, saying that she agrees with them and has the same recommendations to folks as they're trying to figure out what to do in their own lives. But she says she doesn't have any mandates in the works when it comes to masks and whatnot. Back to you.